Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to use Nikki Life app, whether you are a first time user or just looking for some tips. So let's dive in. First, let's start by downloading the app. If you are using an iPhone, head to App Store. If you are on Android, go to Play Store and search for Nikki Life and hit install. Once the app is downloaded, tap open and let's get started. When you first open the app, you will need to log in or create an account. You can sign up using your email, phone number, or link your social media accounts like Facebook or Google. I'm going to use my Google account to sign in. It's super quick. So for that, I'll just have to click on this sign in with Google, and then it will prompt me to select my Google account. So for example, I'll select this one, and then let's see what next to do. Alright, so once you click on that, if you're signing in for the first time, you'll be required to choose a username. So you can just go ahead and enter your nickname. For example, I'll enter this name. Alright, that's too long. Okay, I can just go like this. All right, and then you have to select your date of birth. All right, so just do that quickly. So I'll enter this and this, then this one, then I'll click on done, and then the next thing is to select your gender. Go ahead and select your gender. All right, I'll select male, and then I'll click on next, and then I'll click on done. But you can see here it says after submission, gender cannot be modified. So you just have to make sure that you select the right gender and then click on next and done. All right, so here it says they might want to meet you. Right, so these are the people you could follow on Nikki Life. So if you want to skip this for now, you can just click on skip at the top right corner, and then you have your account ready. So guys, now let's move to the next part where we are going to learn how to explore the home screen. Alright guys, now that you are in, let's take a look at the home screen. This is where you will see all the live streams happening right now. You'll find different categories like trending streams, music, gaming, and more. You can scroll through and tap on any stream you would like to watch. And also, if you look at the bottom of your screen, you're going to see some navigation tabs where you can click on live, post, club, chats, and even visit your profile by clicking on the me icon right there. And here you can see some other features right here that you could check out. Right, so now that we know how to explore our home screen, let's take a look at how to interact with a stream. Alright, so now that we know how to explore the home screen, let's see how to interact with a stream. So if you want to interact with a stream, is very easy. First of all, you have to decide which stream you would like to watch. So we have tons of streams right here. All you have to do is to go ahead and select any of them, and then you have to wait for it to open. Once it opens, if you look at the bottom left corner, there's an option to drop a comment. So you can just click on that and drop a comment right there. Click on send, and this will be dropped at the bottom area, as you can see right there. Another way you can interact with a stream is by sending gifts. All right, so if you look at the bottom area of your screen again, you'll find this gift option right there. You can click on that, and then you can select any gift from here. So these are actually virtual gifts that you can send to the streamer. All right, so this is a way of appreciating a streamer actually. So what you just have to do is to go ahead and select any of these virtual gifts and click on send. Click on the virtual gift again to send. All right, once you do that, if you have coin in your balance, this will be sent, but if you don't, you have to purchase a coin. All right, so these are coins that you can actually purchase. Just click on any of these three, and then you can see the exact amount this coin will cost. Click on buy to proceed with the purchase, and then when you successfully have coin in your balance, you can send gift to this person. So this is actually the way you can actually interact with a streamer. All right, so that's it. So another way is joining a live stream, like grabbing a seat on a live stream. If you want to do that one, you can see this join option at the bottom right corner. Once you click on that, you can grab a seat. That is if the seats are not filled up or occupied. As you can see right here, the seats are actually occupied on this live stream, so I will just be in the waiting list for this streamer to accept. So that's it. So this is actually how you can actually interact with a stream on Nikki Life. So next, let's see how you can go live yourself. So if you want to learn how to go live yourself, see you on the next one. All right, so now let's see how we can actually go live on Nikki. All right, so if you want to do that, at the bottom of your screen, you'll find this live icon right there. Make sure that is selected. Once that is selected, you'll be able to see this blue kind of blue icon at the bottom right corner. That's a live icon. Go ahead and click on that. So once you click on that, here you can actually get two live stream options. We have party and we have the regular live stream. Right, you can see that at the bottom area of your screen. If you want to host a party on Nikki Life, make sure that is selected. For this, the requirement is just to add a live title at the top. Right, so you can just go ahead and edit the live title. By default, your nickname is going to be added there. You can just click on it to edit it, and also you need to complete a face detection by clicking on the verify button, and then you can begin the process. And also you can select the number of seats that you want on your party. We can add a minimum of 4 and a maximum of 9 seats. On this seat, people can actually join and grab the seat. All right, so that's it for hosting a party. So once you're done with all that, just click on go live and you'll be live on Nikki. Now for the regular live stream, the requirement is adding a live stream title, upgrading to charm level 5, and also passing face detection on Nikki. Right, so you just have to click on the upgrade button to see what it takes to upgrade to charm level 5, and also you have to click on the verify button to verify by completing the face detection procedures. All right, so once that is completed, click on go live button right there at the bottom area of your screen, and then you'll be live on Nikki. So that's it, guys. All right, so now let's see how we can actually manage our profile. If you want to manage a profile, it's very easy. Click on the me icon at the bottom right corner. Then you're going to find your avatar right there at the top, and also your profile name, all right, or your nickname. All right, so just go ahead and click on your avatar. Once you click on that, here you can actually see this edit icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. From here, you can actually add photos by clicking on this plus sign right here, and also you can be able to change your nickname, your birthday, your intro, which is also called bio. Click on that to edit it. You can add occupation, relationship, and so on. Right, so once you're done with any editing, you can see the save option at the top right corner. Just go ahead and click on save, and that's all. All right, so this is how you can actually manage your profile, and also from your profile you can actually post a moment. As you can see, there's this moment option at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on that, you'll be able to create a moment and posting. It could be a video, a picture, or just a write-up. All right, so that's it. Now let's move on to the next one, where I'm going to show you some privacy settings. All right, so now let's check out some privacy and safety settings. All right, so if you want to do that, click on the me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you're going to see the gear icon at the top right corner. Click on that, and from here you can go to your settings and manage who can view your streams, send messages, interact with you. You can block or report any user that makes you feel uncomfortable. So you're always in control of your experience, right? Because privacy is very, very important, right? So Nikki gives you full control of that. Okay, so from here you can also change your language, your region. You can even sign out, right? So that's it. So just go ahead and click on any of these options right here and explore what they are all about, right? So that's it. Right, so one more thing just before we conclude, you can even earn reward on Nikki Life, right? You can earn a reward on Nikki Life. So I would show you how you can actually earn rewards on Nikki Life in my next video. So if you're ready to watch that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel so that you will miss out on that one. All right guys, with that we've come to the end of this tutorial, and I hope you've now learned how to use Nikki Life app as a beginner. All right, so thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next video.